Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathii na mbere wega indi ndiritu ni aremwo kuhitha gikeno giake uriri arathii na mbere na gukungwira her birthday. Samidoh mwaka uyu ni twamonire agiteka 360 turn where he posted Edday and posted a very nice caption praise Edday celebrate muthenya wake wa guciarwo on his social media pages. Muthenya wa umuthi Edday ni akorwo agituririkania ati together na Samidoh they are parents ni aciari to their grown teenage daughter Charlene Mushoki. Charlene akoretwo of social media gwa kahinda on her accounts. Even mom Edday dakoretwo post Charlene na muthenya wa umuthi she has surprised her fans na bisha ishi together. Fans ake magikorwo quick to note ati there are some changes to Edday and Samidoh's daughter. Uyu akiuga she now looks same as Samidoh, very gorgeous. Andu aingi magikenio ni kuona uria Edday na Samidoh makirerete muiritu uyu wao their first born daughter ginyagia this point uria thiete na mbere na kwamukira mathomo kuria USA. My beautiful daughter is grown up and shining bright, so proud of the kind, smart and confident young woman she is becoming. Congratulations on your pre-prom night. We love you, my forever princess. #proud parent. Ni caption Edday agikorwo akirekereria muku social media akionania gikeno giake reintroducing her grown teenage daughter. Orege kure fans ake, they took these photos iria ciagikorwo ikitheremio guku social media together with Bunny Sorani and also firstborn son wa Bunny Sorani. They are doing a good job. Tugathie na mbere na kumendithĩria all their very best magithie na mbere na muturire wa. Make sure you turn on your notification, our like our videos and also subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni some tea and also the trends cia social media.